Hey there everybody, it's Wayne D. Welcome to the website. It's WayneD.com, and today we're going to do just a short video comparing Matt Wallace and Matt Fitzpatrick. So we got Matt Fitzpatrick on the left, we got Wallace on the right. They were both in the hunt at the BMW, the European Tour. Last week, Fitzpatrick ended up losing in a playoff, and Wallace finished third. So let's take a look. Let's start with Wallace. Let's watch him a couple times, and now let's watch Fitzpatrick. And I bet you know why I want to compare these two guys. Both great players, good ball strikers. The difference in tempo is about as extreme as you can possibly get. My guess is that Wallace has one of the overall slowest swings in the game, and Fitzpatrick probably has the fastest swing on any tour, and maybe the fastest swing that I've ever timed out. So we can it would get kind of boring to try to time Wallace's swing out, but what I do is on the software I've got a single frame clicker. So like when you see the bottom crawler move, that's one click. So that club head just moved, and now I'm going to count the clicks up to the top. So bear with me here, because it is interesting. It's just a way to measure it. This is something that John Novosel figured out. Tour tempo, you're just counting. It's pretty simple. So this is probably at 60 frames. So the normal 3-to-1 ratio here will still apply, but we're just going to look at backswing speed here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I'm going to stop here because when I start Fitzpatrick's swing, we'll see what happens when we get to 31. So let's get it moving. There we can see there's that little kick start. You see the right leg drive in. So he's pushing off the left into the right. You can see the club head move. So we're going to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. All right, 30. Let's say 34. And if we go back to Wallace, if we keep going at 31, 2, 3, 4. So it took to get to P1.5. Wallace took the same amount of time that Fitzpatrick finished P4 up here. So if we keep going with Wallace, what was that? 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So it's double the time to get to left arm parallel. So to get to P3, Wallace is equal half, or it's taken him twice as long to get to here as Fitzpatrick got to the top. Alright, so 64, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 79, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go from 34 to 85. It's unbelievable. And yet, both these guys are excellent ball strikers. So if you look at the build on these guys, Fitzpatrick is just not as big. Wallace is a big guy. So he has the sort of the luxury of taking this thing back and taking his time. And Fitzpatrick is just a whip. Gotta love Fitzpatrick's grip. One of the strongest grips also that you'll see. But this is totally reactive, and in order to move as fast as he's moving, you have to be really wiry strong. So that's Hogan-esque to me. In fact, it's hard to measure Hogan's speed because of the cameras, the way they shot everything back then. But as you as you watch these swings, the interesting thing is they're both what you would call fluid and continuous. So this is a whip. Boom, boom. And this is what everybody would say is great tempo. One of the mistakes people make is to equate slowness with good tempo. Just not really the case. It's just how it all blends in. So I thought that was just pretty interesting.